Good evening, all. How many people are here, freshers, who are seeking jobs? Okay. How many have 1 or 2 years experience, beginners? Completely my speaking, my time for you. Okay. One of our speaker, Huda Rinish. She told, she given one quote, I think. There is no ladder for career growth. We have to build the bridge. Okay? Now, career growth and a dream job. Everyone have a dream job. How to build this dream? We have to make a bridge. How to make the framework? From a fresher, the main important 3 points you have to focus to get a job. When I am coming in the city, I have only the experience of 3 years automobile industry. Unfortunately, this industry was under Southeast Asian. Okay, the specific role what I am looking. 2.5 months I behind this opportunity, but I didn't get any job. That time, I just stepped there and I listened, what is my problem? Continuously, I sending resumes through online. I didn't get any replies at least, because I don't have any other skill. I have only one skill in this service sector of automobile industry. For other industry, I don't have any confidence. So what to do? I try to build my network. I connect more peoples from my cousins, from my friendship, everywhere I am using. And here the stage, I want to thank Mr. Ashik Pandikashala. He is inviting in this community in the time of 2022, I remember. Okay, so when I get my first job, it's because of network. It's not only for the online network, it's man-to-man network. We have to focus, if you are a fresher, you have to focus man-to-man network. 70 or 80%, the possibility to get your first job is man-to-man network. See, so if you want to focus a right job, you have to set 18 weeks. Don't go more than 18 weeks. This is for engineers. This is some research they're telling. 18 weeks for engineers. Don't go more than, because maybe when you are starting a dream job, it's maybe a very faulty dream. So if you set 18 weeks and your right job not getting, if you are a fresher, do not wait for perfect opportunity. You enter any job, any industry, okay, and to get a first job, build your network. This is the main point you have to focus. The second, once you get a first job, there are 3 important challenges in front of you. Okay, you have to focus 3 areas. The first one is choose any industry you want to go forward. Any industry. Then you don't want to come back and go again. First you focus any industry. The second, identify your skills. Maybe even once I am in the first job, I was working in the sales. I was working as a production designer, mechanical equipments, machineries, designing. And I was supporting the maintenance engineers. I be a part of maintenance department. So I understand I have 3 skills there. Before I don't know. And once you understand your skills, Go through the specific role. Which role you want to be? In front of me, I can go three ways, and I chose sales because this is more suitable for me. I have some criteria to get a job, to identify my specific role. It's common, money. I chose because the sales because of money. I need more money. I want to become a businessman. So I chose sales engineer position. Even my passionate job is mechanical designing. I was doing it more interesting, but I choose a specific role as sales engineer because in where we are living now, in this city. So in this city, I believe sales engineer is the best one. So if you think this is your right job, this is your specific role, go through that way. Okay? This is your challenges in the first job. Once you get your suitable industry, see, this is your booming period. From here, you have to step one step more to get your industry. Who are you? In your industry, everyone should be know who are you. I'm in the HVAC industry. Everyone know I'm in the sales engineer job. I'm doing the sales engineer job. I'm the senior sales engineer. So the other one is be supportive. We have to support every co-workers, every colleagues, every bottom to top level. We have to support them. We have to support our managers. We have to support everyone wherever you are seeing, okay, in your industries, your customers. Sometime I always telling to my customer that time, you can call anytime. You can call me 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Do they are calling me? No. We can tell that. We can make a trust to them. So be very supportive to everyone. It will be a next step of growing in your career growth. Okay, we have to embrace challenges, accept all challenges. See, when I am in this booming period, one my boss tell to me, go and meet one customer. Before me, all this technical team, they met already and they didn't get the solution. The customer didn't get the solution. And technical team went there and they didn't get the solution. What to do for me? Boss have a trust inside to him. So he sent to me and I come back with the 3 million project, a new project. So accept all challenges in your, where the challenges in front of you, you have to catch it and go through new projects. This is your booming period. You have to do everything. This is the big step in your career growth. You want to go more. Okay? Then the personal branding. Okay, once you are in your, now you are in your booming period. Okay? You get your specific role. You get your company wherever you want to go. So in this stage, for me in HVAC, there have some OEM companies. Okay, Train, Carrier, LG. We have 4 to 5. We have to set some companies, top 5 to 10 or 20, 50, whatever you have now. Okay, you have to connect them. In this personal branding means, this is you have to connect your industry. You have to show who are you and why you are there, and also why you are valuable in this industry. You have to show them in the network, especially in LinkedIn. LinkedIn get me the last job because I connect my industry, I connect my managers, I connect my HR department, and in the behind of my booming period, I was do this everything every night, and whatever I get free time. And a small period, I get my dream job, my dream company, my dream salary. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so building your online presence every time, and also this, if people like you, when they will listen you, the people trust you, they will do business with you. So take everyone a step more and dream a job and go forward. Whatever you want to go, without a dream we can't reach anywhere. Okay, thank you for listening.